This is the strongest machine in the world. It's called Bulldozer. This machine can be used in both construction sites and farming. It can be used in mining. Watch the way the bulldozer operates. This is the backbone of our lands we are seeing today, the landscape we are seeing today, with a large steel blade with hydraulic system. This machine can work all day. Its blade is very powerful to clear everything in its path. When you see the bulldozer working, you notice the high rate of engineering. This machine is very strong. What the way it do, it clears all the dirt in the path like it's nothing. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my video.